Alright, so we're on number 4. Alright, it says, which of the following represent this grid? So all you have to do is match it. So we're going to go to a graph. Please open a graph. And we have to delete the equal sign. Does anybody already have it? Okay, well, no, I already picked Sadie. So Jason, you're my presenter. Number 3. Number 4. So you got to delete the equal sign. Do you already know the answer? Relation, very good. Did you do this one?
Yeah.
Does anybody know the answer?
Yes.
Try H, because most people said H. So y minus 2 equals 1/2. Alright, enter. Alright, does it match? It's going through the 1? Yes. And if you want to be more specific, you could add a grid, menu view grid. There you go. And we want the line grid. Alright, thank you, Jason. Pay attention just like you, Destiny. Pay attention. Thank you. So the answer is H. It does match. Let's go to number 5. Number 5, again, it's just menu, algebra, solve systems. So let's practice it real quick. Destiny, you're my presenter. Menu, algebra, solve systems. Let's plug it in. Very good. 3x plus 4y equals 8. Now make sure you answer the correct one. It asks for the y, and the y is 5/4. If this was a bubble in, you would hit control equals. And it would change it, control equals, it would change, control enter. Sorry, my bad, control enter. Put escape, then control enter. Right, and it changes it to our decimal. If it was a bubble in, for sure it has to be decimal, it cannot be a fraction. So our answer was 5/4. Alright, tie. On this next one, it gives us the perimeter. Well, it also gives us the equation for perimeter. So what should we write in the calculator? 2L plus 2W equals what?
48.
48 times. Thank you. Careful. It says the length is. So what should the equation start with?
16.
L equals 16 less than, and less than is a turnaround phrase. So 3W minus 16. 16 less than 3 times away. There is our system. Let's plug it in. Menu, algebra, solve system. Alright, Azzy, you're my presenter. Alright, thank 12. What happened then? Azzy, what happened?
The number 6.
Menu, algebra, solve system. Very good. She's going to change L and W before she hits OK. That'll work. 2L plus 2W equals 48. And then L equals 3W minus 16. And it asks for both. L is our first variable, so L is 14. And width is 10. So 14, width is 10. D is the correct answer. Alright, number 7. Find the domain and range of the graph. I think the easiest one that most people keep getting is the range. Range is the y. Domain is our x. So in the range, our y, you only have a y value here at 1 all the way through. So it cannot be C and it cannot be D because our range is just -1. Then our domain is from left to right because that's our x-axis, right? Our x-axis goes left to right. Our y-axis goes up and down. So left to right, we're going arrow to arrow. So that means it keeps going. Very good. It's all real numbers. Number 8. Which statement best describes the system shown on the grid? Very good. These do not intersect. So the answer is no solution. If they would intersect, that would be one solution. If there's the same line on top of the other, that would be infinite. All right, number 9. Here you're going to have to set up your proportion just like we did in the front where it says y varies directly with x. You can kind of also figure out what it's going to be, I think. So it's 100 miles, that's my y, over x, 2 hours. And then it says now we're going to go 3.5 hours, and we don't know how long you're going to travel. So you cross multiply, so that's 350, right? Equals 2y, divide both sides by 2, 175 is correct. All right, almost done. Number 10, find the slope and y-intercept of the graph. What's the y-intercept?
50.
50. So we look, this one has the slope at 50, so that's wrong. And this one has the slope of 50, so that's wrong. The y-intercept is 50. Remember, the one that doesn't have the x is our y-intercept. The one that does is our slope. So here, the slope is either 0.25 or 2.5. So we're going to go from one point to the other. Rise over run. How much did we rise?
1.
Which is how many? 1 box, and very good. It's going up 10. How much did we run?
4.
4 boxes, and these are actually, they go by 1, so it is 4. What's 10 divided by 4? Control Enter.
40.
2.5 is correct.
Got 100.
All right, and that's it. Good luck for tomorrow.